ऑलराइट टेक लवर्स गेट रेडी। अगर आपको लग रहा था कि स्मार्टफोन डिज़ाइन हैड पीक्ड, थिंक अगेन। पहले नॉर्मल कैंडी बार फोन्स आते थे, फिर आए फ्लिप फोन्स, उसके बाद फोल्डेबल फोन्स जिसमें 2 वेरिएशन थे, और अब आ गया है स्लिम फोन्स। वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड टुडे we are not just reviewing a smartphone, we are looking at a glimpse into the future. This is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and it is packed with so much intelligence, so much power and so much innovation, it might just redefine what you expect from a mobile device. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि क्या है ये फ़ोन, क्यों है, कितने का है, and what does it tell about where smartphones are heading? We'll answer all your questions. Let's dive in. First things first, the design. It feels incredible in hand while also maximizing screen real estate. The display is next generation dynamic AMOLED 3x panel. इसका मतलब colors vibrant है, blacks are perfectly deep and the brightness levels make outdoor viewing a joy. मोटा मोटा आप चाहे मूवी स्ट्रीम कर रहे हो या इंस्टाग्राम पे फीड स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो, this screen is an absolute feast for the eyes. The main USP of this phone is its build. As expected from Samsung, it's top tier, redefined titanium है, tough glass है and of course IP68 वाटर एंड डस्ट रेजिस्टेंट रेटिंग है। लेकिन सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है इसकी थिकनेस या थिननेस। ये फ़ोन सिर्फ 5.8 मिलीमीटर थिक है। आसान शब्दों में बोले तो आप अपना मोटापा कम नहीं कर पाए, लेकिन सैमसंग ने अपने फ़ोन्स पतले कर दिए। पहले बात कर लेते हैं व्हाट्स अंडर द हुड। रियल वर्ल्ड परफॉर्मेंस की बात करें तो एप्स ओपन इंस्टेंटली, multitasking is seamless and even the most graphically intensive games run without a hitch. अब आते हैं कैमरा पर। We are looking at a multi-sensor system here, including an upgraded main sensor and a higher resolution ultra-wide camera. There is a 200 megapixel wide camera which shoots great photos in almost all lighting conditions. There is also a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with autofocus. But the hardware is just half the story क्योंकि it has Galaxy AI. Galaxy AI transforms your photography. This phone gets features like AI Scene Optimizer जो automatically scene को recognize करता है and adjusts setting for an optimal result. There is also Object Eraser 2.0 which is great at removing unwanted elements from your photos. And finally, Generative Edit that can expand your photos, fill in the gaps and even move subjects. और अब जब AI की बात हो ही रही है तो हम बता दें कि Galaxy AI experience goes far beyond the camera. These aren't just gimmicks, they are deeply integrated, practical tools that are designed to simplify your life, boost your productivity, and enhance your communication. However, all that power in such a slim device comes at a cost of battery life. Although Samsung has optimized the software and hardware brilliantly, the S25 Edge struggles in the battery department. But don't be disheartened. ये concept phone है and it lays the foundation of what's coming next, which also means कि आने वाले सालों में आप better slim phones use कर पाओगे। और यही takeaway है इस powerful phone का। So what truly makes S25 Edge stand in a crowded market is the blend of premium hardware with incredibly intelligent on-device AI baked right into the core experience, capable camera और एक futuristic design with 5.8 mm thickness. The Galaxy S25 Edge is a strong statement that the future of mobile is intelligent, integrated, and slim. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Edge and its AI capabilities? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your tech-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech tips like this.